Want to master the markets but fear the risk? Enter demo trading, a risk-free playground where you can practice with virtual funds and experience real-time, real-market dynamics. This is where you master risk management, learn to control position size, set stop-loss orders, and diversify your portfolio. These are the habits that protect your capital later on, all with zero financial fear. Build unshakable confidence, test your strategies, and refine your system. It's okay to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process, just without losing a single cent. When you're ready, transition to live trading. You'll execute trades with the confidence you built risk-free. Demo trading, your first step toward live trading. Thanks for watching. The world of crypto is vast and exciting. What should we explore next? Comment below.